नमस्ते गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी। आई एम श्योर सभी मौसम के मज़े ले रहे होंगे, बारिश के। अब बारिश में चाय पकौड़े ना हो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है। सो एंजॉय द फूड एंड एंजॉय द वेदर। तो आज का जो ध्यान प्रयोग है वो भी मौसम के ऊपर है, बारिश के ऊपर। तो इसमें आपको सबसे पहला काम जो करना है, you have to choose the place in your house where you can hear the sound of the rain, near the window or in your balcony. Now, after this, choose your comfortable position. You want to sit or you want to lie down. That is totally your choice, but you should be comfortable. So after this, now you close your eyes, either you sit down or you lie down. The first step is you have to relax your body. When the body is relaxed, then only you can experience the peace, the bliss of the meditation. So, close your eyes, feel your body. Feel your body from head to toe. Relax all the body parts. Make yourself as comfortable as possible. Now once the body is relaxed, you try to start listening the sound of rain. Try to remember that last time you were dancing in the rain, just enjoying the splash of the rain. Drops coming and touching your body. Those funful moments of childhood. Just recall it. Hear the sweet pitter-patter of raindrops on your window. Recalling those moments, living those moments may bring your childhood back. The innocence back, the wonder back of the nature. As you know, our body is made of 60% of water. So whenever you are close to any resource of water, you will feel more energetic, more alive. Same can happen in the rain. If you are at the beach, under the waterfall or the lake, the same experience you will get in the rain also. Keep listening the music of the rain. It will connect you. It will soothe you. It will take all your tension and pressure. Feel the pure joy and being one with the nature. Just a simple thing, just a simple raindrops is so simple, so blissful. The sound, the music, it can take away all your burden, the heaviness which you keep inside. All things just wash away. Keep listening. Feel that cooling breeze in your face, in your body. The sprinkles which comes with wind. Feel it. Feel the different sound of the water, the rain. The water which moves with wind. The sound is different. The rain sound is different when it falls on the ground, when it falls on the leaf. Enjoy that every little music with the different beats. Thank the Almighty for this simple pleasure of the life. Try to be natural. Try to be innocent. Enjoy the sound, enjoy this music, the magical moment with the rain as long as you can. You can do it whenever you feel like. Just try once and then you will see the difference. I hope you like it. Thank you guys. We'll see you again.